going on out here? Look at this. I'm gonna try to bring this down. It is pouring. Oh. Weather right now is just so mucky. That's why I pretty much decided to go ahead and do burnouts in the Grom. I thought it would be fun. What is up, guys? Jay here, back to another video. I actually went ahead and did a couple donuts with the Gromster just to go ahead and do the intro. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I got so much mud on me, guys. Stupid mud. Here's the 435. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a shower because we're actually gonna go ahead and have lunch with Joey. So let me go ahead and change up real quick. Stupid dirty. You went ahead and watched the last video. You'll see I went ahead and put a carbon fiber grill on there. That thing looks so clean, guys. I love it. But yeah, let's go ahead and start heading over to Joey's house. Guys, this car, every time I turn it on, it's never like a slight sound. It's just like a blast. It's so loud. I'm so ready to hear it in the winter. I'm very curious on how it's gonna sound with an actual cold start, like in the cold. I'm very curious on that, but we're gonna have to wait a couple months, unfortunately, for that. My nigga, what the hell got into you? Project baby, y'all was skipping in the hallway. I was getting all my keys and you on them jiggles, call me jiggle. About to go get some tacos. You already know. You already know. Tacos be hitting. Tacos be hitting. Yeah. You hearing those vlogs? Probably clocked out.
Damn, Jerry got rear-ended somebody.
For real.
Got over in the right lane and then he went on the road. I was like, fuck, bro. Because it was red when I ran it. Like, it didn't turn red, it was red.
I don't know who it is, bro. I'm really about to take that should be dumb. Guys, I don't know whose Supra this is, but that thing is pretty clean. Next to the Beamer, sheesh. That's pretty hard. If you don't ever look back at your car after parking it, you bought the wrong car, bro.
Oh, they're not open.
Huh?
They're not open.
Damn. Damn. That was such a flex. I was tasting them tacos too. Damn, that's such a flex. Oof, the weather's looking crazy right now, guys. Look at it's sunny on that side. Look at the clouds. Oh my god. They look crazy right now. Let's go ahead and start heading out. Let's go. Oh my goodness, guys, I got stuck in a storm. It's freaking storming out here right now. It's making so much traffic. For what? For what? Ain't nothing stopping you, it's just a little bit of water. Yo, what is going on out here? Look at this. I'm gonna try to bring this down. It is pouring. Oh no, let's put it back up. Nope. It is. I can feel my car like fishtail a little bit. It doesn't feel good at all. What the fuck? Alright guys, so we made it back. Dang, it is still pouring outside. That's why I put her in the garage most of the time. Alright, but this is actually where I'm in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog I put together. It's pretty much a life in a day of Jerry, I guess. But don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification, guys, so you guys know exactly when I post. Let's get it and stay blessed.